Washing the bus before we get into town in Sapa. Not bad, eh? Okay, this is my room in Sapa. The usual. I don't know, I've got one shoe there and one shoe there. But anyway. There's some Hmongs stuff hanging there. Some more over here. We're going to look through the window at the toilet because I did a number on it. I don't want to go back in there. Something will fucking try and eat me. Yeah. And there's my bed and big TV. Glad to have a big TV. I was just watching it. Just needed a 5-minute break. Love chairs in my room. Love them. Anyway, let's go here. Or let's go here. It's getting good. Holy shit, it's loud out here. The building down below. This is Sapa. And this is what Sapa is famous for. The layered rice paddies. Look at them all through there. All down the valley. Gotta love that sight. Okay, I've got 5 minutes because that's all my phone will give me. First impressions of Sapa. It took 3 hours to get from Halong City to Hanoi, and we skirted around the outside, around the right of it, and then we came straight up the guts, which is pretty much the only way to come to Sapa. And that was another 4.5 hours. So what was that? 4, 5, 7.5 hours. Actually, it was longer than that. doesn't matter. Anyway, we came up. It was a sleeper bus. I couldn't sleep, so that wasn't good. Yeah, we hit Sapa. I've only been here half an hour. Still haven't been outside my room yet. I got a really nice room this time. Actually, I'm staying in 2 different places while I'm up here. I'm here for 5 days. This one's for 3 and the other one's for 2. So anyway, this place is South Korea number 2. All I saw in town were Koreans. And then as I was checking in, these girls walked in to check in, and the girl goes, "Was it? Obasayo?" And it's like, oh my God, that's fucking Korean. So anyway, Koreans everywhere. And they are the beautiful people, let me tell you. Oh my God. Halong was, that's where all the millionaires hang out. Halong City. So there's a bridge between Halong and Halong City. Halong City's where all the tourists go, and it's got all the touristy stuff. And that's where I wasn't. I was in Halong, in the other part, the non-touristy part, and it was brilliant. And the homes I was going past, I didn't get too many photos, but I don't know, I just didn't want to take photos. But their gates were massive, golden, just think of the most audacious, the most obnoxious gate with art on your front fence that you can think of, and that's what it was. And it was all gold and what have you. And those houses, though, that's where the money lives. That's where millions and millions of dollars live. So I was quite happy to stay there. The people I stayed with while I was staying there, they were awesome. Mum helped me, the mother there. She helped me a lot. I forgot to book a bus for here. I tried to do it myself, and then I was like, no, you can't. It was only because I booked out the ones I wanted. And I went, oh no. And I forgot about it, and then I went home last night at 8 o'clock. I went, hey, can you book me a bus for today? And she did. So that was cool. Yeah, sleeper bus. I had some kid, it was a she. She was just racking it up, not non-stop. She didn't like it at all. But they got off the bus soon after. She started vomiting, so and that vomit smell wasn't around, so I was happy about that. But I had to block it out, so otherwise I would have gone with her. Anyway, they got off. We stopped. They were doing deliveries from the bus, so they were stopping wherever and delivering stuff, and then dropping people off, and they're dropping them off on the side of the highway just by bridges. So go figure. But yeah, got to Sapa. I got 1 minute left. Got to Sapa and proceeded to start a fight with the taxi drivers. They actually got in a blue because one offered to bring me to the hotel for 100. I went, nah, I'm walking. Started unzipping my pack to make it look like I was going to walk off. And then the other one hit me with a 70. I said, yep. And then they started blowing. I was like, I don't care. But I got here. It seems like a really, really nice place. It cost me about $300, $100 a night, which is really expensive in Vietnam. It seems it should have a good restaurant. And after I've done this video, I'll show you my balcony. I just had a peek out before, and holy shit, best view in the world. So anyway, and I might buy razors this week, today, tomorrow, whenever. And I'll be going to town tonight and watching all the slave labor. You'll see that. Child labor, I should say. Okay, it's going for more than 5 minutes. Good on me. Yeah, child labor. So, I've seen it on videos already, and I'm sure they're there every night. So, yeah, I don't know about that. But anyway, seems to be a really nice place. I'll go out and have a look and have a drink and have a bit of a relax. The Vietnamese food does not agree with me. Nothing here agrees with me, so I'm eating everything but. Korean food's great. But yeah, everything's but. It goes straight through me. Maybe that's an old person thing. Anyway, I'll send this one out. Then I'll do a view of the next one, and I'll go up the top and do a view from there, which I've already seen on YouTube. And let's see what happens.